Tiny pores deep cleaning micro blackhead removal extreme close-up. Not all blackheads are big. Some are so small, you can barely see them, hidden inside tiny pores, affecting your skin texture quietly. But when you zoom in, a completely different world appears. In today's treatment, we are performing tiny pores deep cleaning, and every micro detail will be revealed. What are micro blackheads? Micro blackheads are very small clogged pores. They form when tiny amounts of oil, dirt, dead skin collect inside very small pores. They may not be visible from a distance, but up close, they affect skin smoothness. Why they matter? Even though they are small, they impact skin texture, light reflection, overall smoothness. This is why skin can look rough, even when it appears clean. Step 1. Precision preparation. Tiny pores require careful preparation. Gentle cleansing removes surface oil. Steam softens even the smallest buildup. This prepares the pores for extraction. Step 2. Micro extraction begins. Now the extraction starts. Unlike large blackheads, these require precision. Each pore is targeted individually. Slow pressure reveals tiny buildup coming out. Step 3. Continuous micro cleaning. Multiple tiny pores are cleaned, one after another. This creates a subtle, but highly satisfying transformation. Step 4. Detail level cleaning. Focus is on complete removal. Even the smallest residue is cleared from the pore. This ensures smoother skin. Step 5. Skin refinement. After cleaning, the skin appears more refined. A soothing treatment is applied to calm and smooth the surface. Final transformation. Before, tiny clogged pores. Rough texture. After, smooth, refined, detailed skin. The difference is subtle, but powerful. Final message. Sometimes, the smallest details create the biggest difference. If you enjoyed this extreme close-up pore cleaning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.